What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. Now as we all finally know that the Pixel 7 Pro, the Pixel Watch and the Buds Pro are coming on October 6th. Now here are its official specifications for the Pixel 7 Pro. Now before getting this video, if you're new here then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that I've done that, let's get started. The very first thing to know about that is that it will be coming with the Google Tensor T2 processor, and not only that, for security also it will be coming with a better processor and the Google Titan chip, and it will be this time M2 security chip from the Google, and you will be getting a 50 megapixel triple camera setup with this smartphone now. Now the primary camera will be of 50 megapixel, a 50 megapixel of a telephoto lens, and apart from that, the ultra-wide angle will be of 12 megapixels. Now you can shoot maximum up to 4K at 30 or 60 FPS, so you won't be getting any kind of 8K video with this camera. The front camera is remained to be similar to the 11.1 megapixel of a front selfie shooter with autofocus, and it can also shoot up to 4K at 30 FPS. Yes, the stereo speaker setup will be present with this smartphone, and you will be getting all the flagship bells and whistles such as Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, LTPO AMOLED 120Hz panel with the HDR10 Plus content support, a 2K display. Apart from that, the curved display, and you will be getting for storage will be of base of 12 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs of storage and 12 to 56 variant 2. UFS 3.1 will be welcomed in this smartphone for the for the press speed. Apart from that, what you also be getting is a USB Type-C 3.1 port 2. Under this display fingerprint scanner will be optical one. Let's just hope it won't be a fiasco just like the Pixel 6a. And the battery capacity this time is going to be a 5000 milliamp battery, and it will be indeed a non-removable. You'll be getting a fast charging of 30 watts with up to 50% in 30 minutes will be advertised. Apart from that, wireless charging support will be getting up to of 23 watts, and reverse wireless charging of 15 watts will be present in this smartphone, and it will be available in 3 color option: the obsidian, snow and hazel color option. Well, what do you think about the Pixel 7 Pro overall? Are you too excited for this smartphone? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. But before that, the Pixel Watch is also coming, which remains to be a mystery by now. The Pixel Buds Pro will be a big upgrade from the Pixel Buds initially, so it will again be a very positive response from the Google with the respect to the Buds market. So if you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom, hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.